Hello friends, gusto mo ba makahanap ng mga power of sale or bank foreclosure na bahay dito sa Toronto or even sa buong Ontario, Canada without asking your realtor friends? Continue watching this video on my YouTube channel or click the link below to watch it. Thank you. So, gagamitin natin dito sa paghahanap ng mga bank foreclosures or power of sale ay yung ating paboritong real estate app, yung House Sigma. So, kung meron na kayong login information or nakapag-create na kayo ng account, you just go to map search and then click nyo yung more, and then dun sa description ilagay nyo, like for example, lagay natin power of sale, apply. So makikita nyo na dito ngayon yung mga properties na dun sa description nila may power of sale. And if you wanna zoom out, kung gusto nyo makita sa buong Ontario, pwede nyo gawin, or zoom in for a particular community or for particular area na gusto nyong makahanap ng mga bank foreclosures or power of sale. Tingnan natin ito. So makikita nyo sa Scarborough merong isa. So click nyo yung link. So yeah. So yun yung way para makahanap kayo ng mga properties na under power of sale. So pwede rin natin tingnan, click nyo ulit yung more, instead of power of sale, tingnan natin type nyo yung word na foreclosure. Let's just check kung merong lalabas. So wala. Sa area na yan. But, there you go. Merong isa sa Pickering. Pickering ba siya? Or Ajax? So, I tried clicking dun sa link, pero dun sa property na yan, pero ayun yung lumabas. If you go zoom out, it's saying no listings found in current map area. Anyhow, so that's how you do it. There's a filter section. You just put power of sale or bank or foreclosure. Pero mas maraming lumabas kung lagyan natin ang power of sale. Yan. So zoom in, zoom out. Find the particular area or community na gusto nyo maghanap ng power of sale. Click nyo yung link. It will show na the property is under power of sale alert. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to click the button for subscribing to my channel. And also, if you have any question regarding sa real estate market or even sa mortgage dito sa Ontario or even sa buong Canada, just feel free to contact me at 416-670-8598 or send me a quick direct message or DM. Thank you so much.